Okay, so if you're a subscriber to my channel, you know I do DIY projects and I also do reviews, and this one kind of combines both of them. I've been wanting to replace the fans in my bathrooms. They just don't seem to be strong enough to, for one thing, to remove the smell and remove all of the humidity from the bathrooms. And they're rather loud, so I took the covers off of them, and they were tiny little fans. Not nearly enough to do what I wanted to do. So I did some little research at a big box retailer, and I will show you. This is what I saw when I went to the retailer.
So
take a look at this. Should be right there somewhere. And you see that this one, 110 CFM, has colored lights. Has a Bluetooth speaker, which I want in every one of the fans, and you can change the lights, and it has 110 CFM. Well, it also offered for $99, if you see just below, all those features except instead of being 110 CFM or 130, whatever it was going to be 80 CFM. So I thought from where I was coming from that would be plenty enough. So purchased the lesser of the ones, and you see there it talks about an app and being able to Wi-Fi and everything. So I purchased the one with the lower CFM. Okay, so here's what we come up with. Okay, so this is what we get. Bath fan with Bluetooth speaker and LED light. Okay, so what I'm going to say about that is be careful of what you read on that sign at the big box retailer. Installing this thing, first of all, the hardware that's provided with this speaker is the cheapest they could give you. If your driver has any type of torque at all, it's going to rip through these little screws trying to put them into a stud. So it blew right through their little screws, broke both of them. Also, the springs that are used to hold this thing up are just subpar. So the hardware is subpar and just downright cheap. So if you're thinking about buying this device, make sure you read this box very well. If you look right here, LED light features, it tells you this. Now if you remember, and I'll put it up next to it, says the light is color changing. Okay, but look right here. That's the only light that's available. And it's available at that strength. You can't dim it. You can't brighten it. That's it. It is not that same light that is available at the same big box store. This light doesn't do what that light did. Now, this tells you what this light will do, and that's the rating on it. That's what it will do. It is a speaker, and it says it's quiet for pulling out humidity. There's the color you get. That's the color. That's the wavelength, and that's how bright it is. That's the lumens. Now, reading this box, you think, okay, so here's the colors that you can change it into. There's what it does. No, these are other fans. But see how they're listed. It's very, very confusing, and I think it's meant to be confusing so that you will possibly buy this thing. Now, I will tell you, as I'm moving around here, be sure you read everything on this box, and this is exactly what you're looking for before you put it in. This is not a color changing light. You can't dim it, you can't brighten it, and there's not a workable app for this device, even though if you're looking at that other light, or if you're reading this box, you will think that there is an app you can use to control this. There is not. That's the other light. That's some of their other lights. Now, I will tell you. Okay, so this is my bathroom, and this is the fan. Now, it's on. I don't know if maybe the microphone is amplifying the sound, but it is very quiet. But if you look up inside this thing, you can see all the internals. Now, if that kind of thing bothers you, this fan's not going to be the one for you. Now, here it is, just by itself. This is what it looks like by itself. That's not enough light for some people. That's not enough light for just about anybody. If the fan light is the only light you have in your bathroom, which probably not, but if it is, this is not going to be the fan for you neither. But here it is. It is quiet. I can't play the sound for you because they would get me with a copyright strike. I thought about playing one of my videos through it, but they actually hit you with a copyright strike even with your own videos, so I don't want to do that. So there it is. That's what the fan looks like. So I was thinking about how to share with you how quiet the fan is. So this is another bathroom in my home, and this is a much smaller fan, and here's the sound of this fan. And that's the one I replaced. And the box, the internal, the cutout size for that box is exactly the same. That's a good thing about this fan. So there you go. There's what another fan, much smaller fan from a competitor and an older fan sounds like. Now, other than the cheap springs, cheap hardware, and the fact that if you look into the fan you can see everything behind it, this fan is a good fan. It's quiet. The Bluetooth speaker sounds good. It gives off sufficient light if you have other lights in the room. Although if you don't have other lights in the room, you could have an issue. But the music and the actual fan itself do a very good job. The springs are not strong enough to hold the fan grill to the ceiling in some cases, so they cheaped out on the springs and they cheaped out on the hardware to install the thing. But the fan is good dimensions. It fits into any normal size fan box opening. That's a good thing. So the pluses are, it's got good sound. It's a good quiet fan, a strong fan, pulls a lot of air, and it has good dimensions. The negatives are, if you're not real careful, you're not getting what you thought you were getting. There is no color changing, there is no dimmable light, and the light brightness is what you got. It's really not bright enough for a light, the only light in the room. So fortunately that's not my issue. I have 6 other lights in the bathroom. But if you don't have some, you might be in trouble using just this light as a source for the bathroom, which I don't think you would, but in some cases I have seen that. So overall, Fan does what it says it'll do. It does have Bluetooth capabilities, but it does not use an app. If I was to do this again, I would buy a fan of equal fan strength and buy a smart speaker and put it in the bathroom. You would be much better off with a better light, a better fan, and just a smart speaker in the room. Don't use those cheap screws that come with it. And other than that, good fan, good speaker. So there you go. There's another one. I'm going to purchase the other fan, the one that has the color changing lights and the smart speaker capabilities. I'm going to purchase that, and probably next week I'll be installing it in another room, possibly either in a master closet or another bathroom. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you want to see any of these kind of how-to videos, or if you want to watch reviews on products like this, make sure you subscribe. I'm also installing a bathroom now. You can follow along with that. That's a big project that's going on now. So be sure to check out those videos. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Remember, they may do it another way, but that's the way I do it. We'll see you next time.